Good morning. It is me, mompreneur living, Sam Root, in all my glory. So I usually try to keep my packages hidden when my husband is home because that way you don't freak out. Too late. So right now he just dropped off or I guess is heading out to go take our 5-year-old to school. His daycare for the bus. It's 6:41 in the morning. I'm out of Arizona. My hair looks atrocious because this is literally what I look like in the morning while I'm trying to stay quiet. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys because this is what I was trying to hide. This is just one day. Look, that's a lot of stuff, I know. But I got the Young Living Owl and then some of our essential oils. And then I got the Budget Mom money planner. I got the mini workbooks. I'm really excited about those. I'll have to do another video. But the most important one and why I'm here today, I got a Second Chance B6 Slim. Those of you that have seen my other video, I have one that's like a green color and I wasn't too fond of it. I can tell you it's actually starting to grow on me. I'm very shocked, but it's so like soft and has just like unique elements on the feel itself and the flexibility. That I actually enjoy it, but I had still already ordered this one, so I'm super excited. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got on Second Chance. Got my planner press stickers. I'm telling you, he got the packages on the worst day. But here we go, if you guys can see. She sends us these envelopes every time. Their customer service, you guys, if you haven't ordered from Chic Sparrow, they are incredible. Like, I so wish that people would mimic how they take care of their clients. There's a planner company that I actually really like for their inserts and stuff, and the customer service every time, it just kicks me in the junk. I'm like, oh my God, I wish they would have customer service like Chic Sparrow. And I come from the customer service industry. I'm in real estate, so customer service is critical. But anyway, so they've got the postcards there. There we go. Do you guys see? I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around for you guys, okay? So just be patient because I am learning all this stuff. Okay, never mind, it's not going to. All right, so, and you might be hearing my 2-year-old. I think he's starting to come down the stairs. I was trying to open this and beat him to that, but you'll get to see my life in all the glory. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is one of their brand new colors. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I did not even realize, holy cow, I got one of their brand new colors. This is awesome. Holy cow. Wow, and it's the B6 Slim. Do you love it? It's deluxe. Hi, Witten. Look, there's my kiddo. He's our 2-year-old. Actually, just turned 3. But look at this. This is awesome. Pliable. The color is gorgeous. These are these kind of markings I'm telling you. So Second Chance has stuff that might have imperfections. I find the imperfections gorgeous. I don't know, for some reason it just reminds me that leather is leather, and it reminds me where it came from, that it's a real deal. But I mean, God, that's awesome. I love it. It smells yummy. I don't know if you can see. One thing I do like about these B6 Slim I'm finding is that they're not too thick. They are just a tad slimmer, but I don't like just the standard classic because it's a little too thin for me, and I like the idea of pockets because I do use pockets. But the TNs, the standard size traveler notebook, and the deluxe sometimes can be a little too thick for me. So this is awesome. I'm already getting squishy with it. Yay! But anyways, that's what I've got for you guys. Again, you're not going to see professionally made videos on this channel, but this is real life, so you can see what it looks like. I create them just because I'm a human being like you, and I like to see what I get before I order it. Bye.